Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As requested, ice cream cones have been made and we're gonna make some watercolor ice cream cones and popsicles today. They're so cute. You can use markers, pencils, whatever you want. I'm using watercolor and I just have a few miscellaneous summer pieces of Collage Fodder. So let's get started. I'm just using watercolor paper, maybe book page. Let's see. This one I did on book page, kind of cute. All right. So I just used this watercolor paper that I got at Walmart. It's like 10 bucks for a 50-page pack. I love it. And then I have various watercolors. So let's see what side of the page I want to start on. Maybe we'll start with this cutie. Let's see, what colors should we do? I guess I could do pink again. Let's see. Let's get some. So how I start is I make that tip. I just do, and then I connect these. And I just kind of fix it as I go. Just doodling the body of it. Need a little more water here. My watercolors aren't very wet right now. And then I'll like make these a little bit bubble. Oops, I got my hand in it. Bubblier as I go. Let's see. Maybe make this a little bit bubblier. But yeah, I just doodle like a spiral just to get the body of it. And then I kind of play with this thing too. See how I want it to be. If I think it's too much, I just add a little bit bulkier. I keep my hand in it so that, and I just fix it. I might actually add another layer down here. I gotta get this paint off my hand. So much easier to do this stuff off camera. But you could use this as a journal card. It'd be so cute, tucked in a pocket. I have some stuff to do today for work, so I'm trying to be kind of efficient on this video. Try not to make it super long. But happy Wednesday. I don't know if I already said that. Let's see. Drop a little color in here. Oops, that was the wrong color, guys. That was red. That's all right. But we'll do some of these. This is a popsicle. Here's another popsicle. I just think they're so cute. And then maybe it's a Superman ice cream. You can make these big or small. Let's show you this cute little guy I made. So that's pretty much it for the base. Then I just pick like a brownish color for the cone, and I start down here first so that it doesn't bleed a ton. Oopsie, I got way too much water. There we go. And it's just a doodle, so it doesn't have to be, you know, perfect, of course. They're just super cute. You can make smaller ones and put them on greeting cards for birthdays. That would be kind of cute. And if you use markers, you can make them, you know, a little thinner. What I mean by that is on watercolor paper, they're going to be like thick pieces. So if you don't want them that thick. And that's all that I do for that. And I just let it dry. Now it'll be interesting. I usually have several pages going so I don't get this one messed up. All right. Let's do, maybe we'll do this one. Henry's outside. You might hear him in a minute. So I just made kind of a bubbly top. Probably should have done this one on its own paper because the way I get the colors to blend, usually I tip my paper because I like how they, I like how they blend into each other, but we'll see if I can pull it off without If not, I'll show you on another piece of dry paper. But mine always end up being huge. Oh my gosh, she's out there. So my dogs like howl and stuff when there's 911 emergencies in the area. All right, so then the second layer, what did I do? Should we do blue? What blue is this? Yeah, what blue is that? I just pick colors, let's see. I try to pick colors that complement each other. Maybe I'll do yellow next, because in yellow, I like colors that when they mix, they won't turn into mud. You know what I mean? I don't know what the term is, because I'm not that smart, but it's just, they all kind of turn out a little different. You want it kind of watery if you want that blended look, like watery by the last color. Let this go up just a little bit more. All right, now I'm gonna do blue. Let's see, which blue do I want? I wanted more of a turquoise blue. I think this one's more turquoise. Nope, it's not. That's right. Oops, sorry guys, I hit my table. This might be a little muddier than I wanted it to be, but we'll see. It's okay, because it does give it that Superman look. So I want to go like this just a little bit. I don't know where my turquoise, it might be in my other palette. And if I want that pink to blend down just a little bit more, I might just add some more pink and water right here. It does end up drying pretty cool no matter how you twist it. So I just kind of smeared it around like that a little bit. And then grab some brown. I don't mind that the blue gets in with the cone a little bit. It's like whatever. There's no avoiding it unless I wait till the blue dries, and I like it kind of blendy because it looks like it's like melting down the cone. All right. I might put just a little bit more pink up here. All right. And you can keep, you know, moving it around as much as you want. So there's two. Those are the main ones I make. And then let's see, I'm gonna grab this palette because it's got some different colors I want to use. I think I'll use purple. Make a popsicle. Just go on Google if you want like more ideas on ice cream. These are like the ones I felt like I could pull off. There's like some more detailed ones. Like I did this like watermelon one. Oh, there goes my light. So my popsicles always start out a little rough and then I just kind of fix them as I go. Like guys, I could never be like I'm not a drawer. Like I can only do stuff with like watercolor. Even markers is kind of hard for me because I'm a stick figure person, you know, so that's why I love watercolor. I do want to start learning how to do some whimsical wonky faces. Maybe like paper dolls or just the face. I've been wanting to, but I know it's gonna be a struggle bus, so I gotta figure out, I gotta just start doodling faces. I've tried and they're just not, they're just terrible, but I do wanna accomplish that. So I think it'd be cute. So then just make your little stick. Again, it's okay if it bleeds in. These are just gonna be fussy cut out, so. Hi, buddy. He's bumping my table right now. You could, let's do that, get that, okay. All right, I probably would have used a turquoise. I think a turquoise would have been better. Trying to think. Okay, this is another one I did. It's maybe not as cute. I don't know. I don't have a whole lot of room here. What's the other cute one? Oh, I did a. Let me find it. Tried to do a snow cone. Let's see. Where did it go? Here. Does it look like a snow cone? I don't know. My colors totally blended in, but let's see. Try again. I don't like that yellow. I should have sprayed my paints because they're kind of, they're just kind of dry. All right, let's see. Mister. I don't know if this is gonna be a bust or not. It might be. I started it with the cone for last time and it seemed to work. Give me more of a guideline, but let's see. Try some pink over here. Ooh, I'm getting mud. Well, whatever. They're not all wins. That'd just be like a little ice cream cone, I guess, since it didn't really turn out. This one I'm gonna have to move just because I don't really have any space with everything being wet. But one, oops, let's see, let's do one on a book page. What color? Is there such thing as purple ice cream? Maybe I'll make purple ice cream. So then I just connect these. Hi, buddy. Like that, maybe. Fills in so much easier on book page. There we go. Make this just a little wider. I think I connected those. Oh, okay, whatever. All right. Okay, now I need a brown. Kind of looks like an ice cream cone, doesn't it? And there we have it. That one's gonna have to sit perfectly dry because I got so much water on it. But yeah, okay guys, I just wanted to show you those because I showed them in a fodder pack that I saw on one of my videos recently, and everyone's like, I love the ice cream cones. So I just wanted to show you some more, or just, I'm not more, but kind of show you again. The same concept for this popsicles, you know, how I did this one, just let it bleed. This one was kind of a fail. And then I just had some odds and ends, a rainbow, these heart sunglasses. This popsicle didn't really turn out. This little mini ice cream cone, a sun, and a watermelon that I haven't put the seeds on yet. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy and have so much fun making summery ice cream cones. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and please subscribe if you're new. And I will see you guys later. Bye.